Let's talk about a phrase you hear a lot in the home remodeling business, and that's lifetime warranty. It sounds great, right? But the truth is, it doesn't always mean what it says. In most cases, lifetime warranty means the lifetime of the product, not your lifetime, which, depending on your manufacturer, could be anywhere from 10 to 25 years. There are some acrylics that do have a lifetime warranty, but some only count as long as you own your home. And even then, you should always read the fine print, because there's a lot of different options and things out there. All right, here's what you should look for in a warranty. Does the warranty include labor or just material? Is it transferable if you sell your home? Are there any maintenance or cleaning rules or products that would void your warranty? And do you have to register the warranty for it to be valid? Those are just some common things you really need to know. So the next time you hear something from a contractor about a lifetime warranty, ask them whose lifetime, what's covered, find out the specifics. Do you have to register to get the warranty? And the answers might surprise you. Ask the right questions and you'll save yourself some headaches in the future.